Hello everyone, it's Tawoia Electric. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you around our factory. Now follow me. Enter through the gate and go forward. Now turn left and go to the wall. Then turn right and walk about 5 meters. You will see an escalator. We go third and fourth floor because both of them are our factory. We will go third floor first. Third floor is our warehouse. In this floor, we store many kinds of material, like it's the plastic bracket and the packing box, some finished goods. These are some metal accessories used for produce sockets and switches. Go next room. All these are materials. There are very many materials. These are many packing boxes. These are many packing boxes. We have standard packing box and we also customize packing box for our customers. In this room, we store many kinds of electronic material. They are for SMT workshop. Okay, that's the situation of third floor. Now let's go first floor. First floor is our workshop. Let's go visit it. We have our own smart workshop. Before go visit, we must wear a complete set of anti-static clothing. After release our static electronic, we can go visit this workshop. We have two smart lines producing the PCPA at the same time, which really enhances the production. Let me do a brief introduction of these machines. This is sodium paste printer. It can print the paste to the body pad of PCB. And after SPI, the good condition PCB will be delivered to the SMT machine. The machine will pick and place the electronic components in the right position. The next is to deliver the PCB to the reflowing soldering machine. This machine will melt the solder paste, so the components and the PCB can be combined well. In the last, the PCBA needs to pass the AOI and the inspection by our staff. Then a PCBA finished. If some PCBA was found not good, then our staff will repair them here. Okay, it's the situation of SMT workshop. This is our laboratory. I will introduce these machines to you. This is electrostatic generator. It is used for AC voltage resistance test. And this machine is medical ground resistance tester. It is used to measure the ground resistance inside electrical equipment. This is resistance voltage tester. This instrument is used to test the resistance voltage strength. And these two machines are a complete set. They are used to test the switch and the socket service life. It's adjustable AC load bank. It could be used for aging test. And this is tension tester. It could test the tension strength and the fracture strength of material. This is a salt spray tester. It is used for test the corrosion resistance of material. This is temperature rise tester. This is digital pendulum impact tester. This is insertion and impaction device. These are gauges and probes. It's conductor damage test device. Screwless terminals deflection tester. with this is capacitor with stand voltage and leakage current test, digital power meter, LC digital bridge, electronic load, DC power supply, and those are some programming features. Okay, that's all. This is our research and development department. We have 6 technicians. They will launch new products every month. As quality department, in this room we test the product's quality to ensure it's okay for sale. And we can have a meeting in conference room. This is our photographic studio. We normally take pictures of goods here. Now let's go to visit our assembly workshop. We have 2 assembly lines. This is a mechanical line. We produce normal sockets and normal switches. This line can produce about 7,000 production per day. This is a smart line. They produce smart products like Wi-Fi and Zigbee switches and sockets. Our staff is making smart flow light. There are 2 laser marking machines here. We use these two machines to print logo and the pattern on the panels. And this is plastic wrapping machine. Plastic wrapping can protect function models from scratch when delivering. We normally package finished products here, and then these goods will be sent to delivery. This is another warehouse for storing some materials they often use. For frame plastic. One down glass plate. Glass frame. Some screws. The back cover. This is finished product turnover area. These are all finished products ready to ship. We also store materials in this room, like 4-frame mantle brackets. This is 3-frame mantle brackets and 2-frame mantle brackets. It's a German socket function model. Some packing box is our standard packing box. If customer have a customized request, we can also customize packing box for customer. Those are our aging tester. All of our function model must pass the aging test to ensure its quality and service life. its glue dispensing workshop. Our step is dispense glue to the glass and the plastic bracket. Then the glass frame finished. Yes. Glass panel. This is our e-commerce finished product warehouse. Those are also finished goods ready to ship. It's our comprehensive office, and in the last okay. We Wenzhou Tawoia Electric welcome every customer to visit our factory.